Now there is the engine. We are fixing the engine now there after dismantling. So there is the starter. That is the gears, drive gears. This is the fork selector that changes the select the gears from 1 to 5 or 6. Yeah, they are synchronizers. This is also the gear that is used in the synchronizer. This is the crankshaft. This is the Porsche engine, the big one. Okay guys, you have seen. This is also the gears. This is the engine of the Ford. This is the engine for the Ford. This is the kinematic that is inside the engine. As you see, I'm there fixing the gears. We are dismantling the engine there. So this is the work that engineer Felix is doing there. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the gear for Ford. So this is the gearbox. We are cleaning. We used to clean all the parts.